Friends, check it out. Today's list, the top 5 reasons why you should travel with just a carry-on. So how long have we been traveling? 15 years? 15 plus years? Almost 2 decades? Something like that?
It's only been 15.
I know, but almost 20. I would say every...
Oh my gosh! Anyway. For over 15 years, we've been traveling the world using only carry-on bags. There have been times that we have had to check that carry-on bag. Just maybe some things that we have in our checked bag, like wine.
Dang, girl.
Yeah, I traveled with bottles of wine.
I can't go without that wine.
We brought wine.
You know, like we've had to check it when I brought home 10 bottles of wine.
Honestly, we wouldn't do it any other way. It has made life so much easier for us when we're on the road. So here are the top 5 reasons why you should travel with only a carry-on.
There's a website, it's called Airfare Watchdog, and they've charted the baggage fee policies for over 116 airlines. What we discovered was that you're less likely, get this, I know you're less likely to incur fees if you travel with just a carry-on. You know what that means? It means more money in your pocket. Oprah says more money in your pocket!
You're a winner, and you're a winner, and you're a winner. Everybody wins. Yeah, just 7% of airlines charge a fee for a carry-on bag, whereas 42% of airlines charge a fee for your first checked bag, and 60% of airlines charge a fee for your second checked bag. Those fees can be substantial, especially when you're traveling with 2 people.
Think about it, we're talking $25 to $50 for your first checked bag, and the second checked bag can go up to $200. Why spend your money on something like this when you can spend your money on an unforgettable travel experience?
How much time do you think is spent standing in line to check your bag?
Or spent waiting to get your luggage at baggage claim?
Or spent dealing with a lost luggage situation?
I don't know exactly how much time that is, but I do know this, and what we've seen is that while people are waiting at baggage claim, we're off the plane through the airport in transit to our hotel, which means we're getting out to explore the city that much sooner.
And I see that too while people are standing in line to check their bag. Right there is why if you don't carry luggage, that needs to be checked. We're already in.
We're already
through security, grabbing a coffee, hanging out.
With carry-ons, we're doing our thing.
The point is that a carry-on helps you to be more efficient with your time, and that means that you can spend your time doing things that you really want to be doing. Bam!
Travel can be stressful, and carry-ons don't eliminate all of those stresses, but they do remove some stressful situations, which means a happier you. You might be asking, well, what do you mean? How does a carry-on eliminate some stressful situations? Jen, why don't you tell them?
I will. Carry-ons eliminate any concern of whether or not your bag is going to make it to its destination. And traveling with a carry-on also ensures that you have access to everything that you brought with you during the flight, as long as you brought it with you in the bag.
Carry-ons also eliminate dealing with the stresses that you'll face when you're standing in the check-in line to check your bag. I hate those lines.
You just had to deal with that.
I was traveling with 2 friends of mine that were checking in bags. The line for the check-in was 50 minutes long. That's why you carry on.
And the size of a carry-on bag is so much easier to handle, which brings us to our next benefit. Benefit number 4.
Some environments like oh my gosh, we just stopped slurping the water. Some environments that you'll face when you're traveling, like a lot of the old town cobblestone streets that you'll see in Europe, or steep ascents and incline, and even public transit that's really crowded, are unforgiving to people with larger luggage. I've seen it. You've probably seen it before.
The reality is that a carry-on is just more manageable because of its size and weight. Whenever we research destinations, we always see things like guard your luggage or watch out for pickpocketers, which is absolutely true.
Yep, there's a pickpocket.
It's just easier to secure smaller bags like a carry-on while you're traveling.
You can take your carry-on, you can put it in your lap, wrap your arms around it, and know right there that it's safe and secure. You're my little carry-on.
Aww,
is that gonna be our new thing?
Safe and secure.
Is that gonna be our new thing?
No.
Oh, you're my little carry-on. No one's gonna take you from me.
Yeah, and with a larger bag, you may have to leave that on a luggage rack, or you may have it just kind of sitting in front of you while you're standing there, and it's a lot easier for someone just to swipe that bag.
Where's your bag?
Mine's currently getting stolen.
I know where mine is. Bam!
Carry-ons just provide us with a greater sense of security when managing our belongings.
Guys, thanks for watching. That does it for this video. Hit that little subscribe button notification right there to my, well, it's over this shoulder.
Leave your comments below on how you've benefited from traveling with only a carry-on bag. And remember, keep finding ways to travel smarter.